Oh. Okay, come on now. Some decent sized ones on there. Alright. I'm scared. Purple potatoes. And we hope the rain didn't rot them out. They look good. Yep, they look good. All right, so we got the purple potatoes, ladies and gentlemen. See that there? So, and this was actually my smallest plant, so we should have a lot more on these others. So I'm gonna throw these over here. I'm not gonna dig the soil yet. I'm just gonna pull the plant. Let me try to maneuver. Okay. This one could honestly probably keep going for a minute. It ain't died back yet. Definitely been the biggest plant so far right here. But it's coming out. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. No, 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 come back. Knew I should have pulled them a little sooner. But most of these I wanted seed potatoes. So it's actually good that they're starting to root a little bit, because I'm gonna throw them right back in this plot for a winter crop. So, honey, would you put that back there on the tarp? We'll have to go back in and clean these anyway. All right. Woo! Let's see. Come on, give me as many as that one did. Come on. Oh, not the baby taters. Not the baby taters. That's alright. The babies eat good. Babies eat good too. The baby ones eat good too. Alright. Little bit of that up off of there. Not bad though. First time ever growing them. And what's crazy about this plot, I have not watered this plot. It's been straight rainwater, and then for the last 30 days I didn't water them at all. So I've watered this plot maybe 3 or 4 times in 3 months. So real easy, something that just kind of grows, low maintenance. And you see we got a pretty good amount of them. Now, of course, proper soil feeding has a lot to do with that. But if you stay tuned to the channel, you'll know exactly how to feed the soil. Oh. Okay, come on now. Some decent sized ones on there. Not bad. At least they're not rotted. That was my main concern with all the rain. Now let's hope I don't fall. Where am I at? Okay. Oh, look at that big boy. Oh yeah. Now, here's the fun part. I'm gonna have to jump out probably. Ooh. Maybe, yeah, move down here. Squeeze through them peppers, guys. Squeeze through them peppers and
The watermelon.
can you see?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, I shouldn't have pulled it like that. Dang it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to go back in. There's more under there. I pulled that all types of messed up. Okay. You can throw it over. Yeah, just toss them behind you. Woo! The back row didn't do too hard. But we got them. We got them. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them. Now let's clean this. Now we'll clean this bed up, pull the rest of them out, and weigh the final yield. Show you what we got.